Good morning, students. So in the last lecture or in the last class, I started with the second topic of the chapter 7 of your textbook, and the chapter is Glimpses of India. And if you people remember, we were done till here. Okay, so today I'll start with this paragraph and I'll try to complete the lesson. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of the Indian army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Okay, so the people of this city, Kurg, are very welcoming, they are very hospitable, they are very warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with the stories of their ancestors. Like in our place also, हमारे दादा और दादी इन लोग सबकी जो स्टोरीज हैं वो कहाँ से रिलेटेड होती हैं? हमारे पूर्वजों से, हमारे एंसेस्टर से. And they are known to be very independent, ferocious and brave. And this is very much clear from the fact that the Kurg regiment, हर स्टेट का, हर सिटी का, जैसे आपने सुना होगा पंजाब रेजिमेंट, ओके, बिहार रेजिमेंट जो इंडियन आर्मी में होते हैं, तो उसी तरह द कूर्ग रेजिमेंट इन द इंडियन आर्मी हैज रिसीव्ड द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ अवार्ड्स फॉर ब्रेवरी. एंड द फर्स्ट चीफ ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी was General Cariappa, who belonged to Kurg. So this is a kind of an evidence that they are really warriors and they are really very brave. And also they are the only people who are permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike in other states who need a license. This shows that these people are very reliable. I mean, they are trustworthy. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. So I am explaining you this part. Okay, the evergreen forests and the hills of Kurg provide water to river Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called Mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs, they play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephants, they enjoy bathing in it. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So laid back means relaxed. Rafting, there's a floating platform which is made by tying the wooden planks together. Canoeing is traveling in a river in a canoe. Canoe is a large and a narrow boat. Rappelling means going down by a cliff by sliding down a rope. And trail का मतलब होता है while walking when you create a path. जब आपके चलने से एक path create हो जाता है, that is called as a trail. So the tourists who visit Kurg to relax in the natural beauty of the place, they also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activity like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain climbing. The hills have various paths which are formed by the footsteps of walkers who trek there. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs and slender lories, they keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. Tree canopy, when the trees are of a great height and they meet each other, they form a structure of canopy. So while taking a walk in this region, you may find a variety of animals around you, birds, bees and butterflies. You may find squirrels and langurs, and you can they keep an eye on you from the trees. And wild elephants are also found here. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view. Panoramic is a view of a wide area of the land. Panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre islands of Nisargadhama, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlements at nearby Bailakuppe is a bonus. The monks in red, ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India right here in Coorg. So to have an overall look at the beautiful city of Coorg, you need to climb up to the Brahmagiri hills, and Coorg is surrounded by beautiful places of beauty like the island of Nisargadhama and Bailakuppe, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. You will see monks over there wearing red, orange and yellow colored garment, and they can also be found in the district of Coorg, where their lifestyle is a very fascinating and enchanting view for the travelers. And you can always see a mixture of diverse cultures which represents the heart and soul of India. Why do we need to say this? India is always known for unity in diversity. So this place is an exemplary, I must say that this is an exemplary place. You can experience that diversity over here. So we are done with this chapter. Now comes your part. So these are the questions. You need to answer this, and after we are done with the syllabus, I will discuss these answers. Thank you, students.